Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to find two-factor authentication backup codes on Etsy. First of all, head up to etsy.com and sign into your account. This is very basic, so let's do that real quick, as you can see right here. Now, once you are logged into your account, go ahead and go to the account right here, go to the account settings, and from there, what you will need to do is to click on security. Now, once you go here, you will need to actually have the two-factor authentication off, and this is gonna be your first time doing it, since the only time that you will be able to find your backup codes is in this time. So click on Authenticator app, click on continue once more, and then scan this code as you will be seeing. So you will need your authenticator application to actually use this code. So once you scan it, I'm gonna simply just write down the code, click confirm. The code is not this one. Oh, my bad. I have to actually scan it again once more. So here we go. I am using my phone to scan it. So once I scanned it, I'm gonna do this 772 confirm, and this is your backup codes. As you can see, this is all the backup code that you will need. Make sure to copy them or download them. They are very important. So you need to keep those codes in a safe place. You will need them to sign into your Etsy account if you ever lose access to the device you set up the two-factor authentication with. So yeah, once you click on download or copy, this should be saved within your PC. So this is an important thing. As you can see, this is how it should look like. So it's not a problem for me to show you this code, since I can literally just turn this off, and literally I can change the codes later on. So it's very easy. And yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave us a beautiful comments. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.